Guys, look what I got. Okay, so DIERYA, I think that's how you say it, sent out this package to me. Sorry if I'm saying the name wrong, but they sent this out to me to review, and I'm still gonna be doing it. Oh, it's heavy. I'm still gonna be doing a completely honest review because I like to be honest for you guys. But yeah, so this is the DIERYA DK63. Alright. Let's get this open. Oh, keyboard. A nice protective wrap on it. And then, let's see what's in here. Ooh, okay. Nice braided cable. So the thing about this cable is that it's sideways like that, so yeah. Then we got a keycap puller. Always good to have more of those. And I think that's it. Alright, now let's check out the keyboard. Okay. Oh yeah, that is sick. So it has the arrow keys and a modified shift key. And I got this in black switches. It is Outemu Black, I believe. There we go. All right. It is Bluetooth, if I'm not wrong. Yes. Oh yeah. Okay, that is nice. I don't know how to change the lighting. Let's see. So I'll get some better looks with that. But yeah. That looks actually pretty nice. With the cord, the USB-C port is on the left. So this just, I guess, just goes in like that. And then the on and off button right there. With the DK63 branding on the back. And if you look at this layout, we got modified alt and function keys on the bottom, along with arrow keys. And then the question mark is also modified along with a shift. So, I mean, if you're not used to that, you might not like it, but I think it'll be okay. I like the arrow keys, especially for like editing and stuff like that. So, that'll be really nice for me. And it has volume buttons on there too. The keycaps are, I think they're ABS. I think we should just go into a sound test. I know that's what you guys want. So, yeah, of course, let's go to the sound test. Okay, so for the sound test, the only thing I would say about it, so these stabilizers are not the greatest. I mean, you wouldn't really expect that from this price of a keyboard. Let me get the spacebar off and let's check out the stabilizers. Okay, I've never seen this color stabilizers. What? It's interesting. Let me get my phone flashlight. Okay, they look dry. Well, okay, there's a little bit of lube down in there. Yeah, it's just not really evenly spread. So there is some lube down in there, but it's not really spread right. But I think that all the like normal sized keys sound good. And the switches, they're good switches, I think. The Outemu Blacks are actually pretty good. Just like the stabilizers just aren't the greatest. That's what I'm saying. So that's pretty much the only downside. But for this price of a keyboard, you aren't gonna get much better. So it's worth it. I mean, especially for this layout, because I would like 1,000,000% recommend the arrow key layout, unless you are like you have to have the shift normal or something. But the arrow keys, they're just much better. 60%, like they look cool and all, but like this one is just perfectly compact. And yeah, and then there's also a bunch of shortcuts on there to choose from, and a bunch of lighting modes. We'll go over those in a minute. Yeah, I think it also looks pretty good in white. I don't know what you guys think, but there's also a little bit of branding on the front. The only thing I would improve on is the stabilizers. That's literally the only downfall. And Bluetooth, really easy to work. You hold down function and you hold down Z, X, or C. So there's 3 different ones. So if you hold down Z, like, and connect it to your computer, or I'm just giving an example. So it was like, so say I connect it to the computer with holding down Z and holding up Bluetooth and connecting it. Then I can also hold down function and X connected to my phone. So then when I press those different things, it'll switch off, or like then I can connect it to my like school laptop, my Chromebook. So there's 3 different options for Bluetooth, which is really nice, especially for people that will specifically use it like that. So yeah, that's really nice. I didn't even realize this was Bluetooth. I didn't really think about that. But Bluetooth keyboards are super nice to have around. Like my Ducky One Too Many, my main right now before I make my custom, isn't Bluetooth, and I mean it's not a huge deal since I'm haven't been like traveling much. But when I'm traveling, this might be the one to take, like, seriously. So I think that's all I got to say about this keyboard. Let's go into the lighting modes, and then I'll kind of say my finishing thoughts. So yeah, let's go into that. So yeah, that is the DIERYA DK63, 60%, 65% mechanical keyboard, with Bluetooth, and in white with Outemu Black Switches. So yeah, that's my review on that keyboard. I think it's actually a good keyboard. I think it's worth it, especially if you're in that price range, and want to get, you know, with the arrow keys, very nice. So you don't want to kind of go to a TKL, but you also don't want a 60%. Perfect. This is the one right here. So I would recommend this, to be honest. And I'm not like being paid to say that or anything, so don't think that. But yeah, very good board. The stabilizers need improvement, but from this price range, you aren't gonna get much better than that anyway. So yeah, pretty solid board. I'll put some B-roll shots of it now, and yeah, thanks for watching. Also, thanks for DIERYA for emailing me and working with me and sending this out for review. That is very awesome. So thank you guys a lot for that, and hopefully we can work together more in the future. So yeah, thanks for watching this video. Subscribe, join the Discord, join the channel, use code Stoops-1 in the Fortnite item shop, and yeah, we'll see you guys later.